Parang museum yata. Hope me. Ganda ng building yun.
Where you go check? He's going to the other ship, I think. No, go straight. The guy said main road. Yeah, main road. 1 kilometer.
Yeah. Welcome to Iceland. Welcome to Norm's Daily Life, mga Lodi. Explore natin to ulit. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang side. Kanina doon tayo sa kabila eh. Yes. Lugar pa rin pala to ng mga Scandinavian part pa rin siya ng mga Vikings itong Iceland. Kasi ang kasama namin dati siya nakatira dito. Kaya sabi niya ano pa rin daw to ng mga Vikings.
Maybe from the European country, but from the
Ayan, chipmate namin.
I don't know what to do because they ask for
He's from Ireland pero natira din daw siya dito sa Iceland. Iceland medyo parang lang siyang similar sa Norway, mga Lodi. Malamig din. Medyo malayo-layo lang rin to kasi hanapin namin yung mall daw, 1 kilometer. Ano kaya kalayo 1 kilometer na yan? Sobrang layo na sa nakarin. Yeah, maybe that's the mall.
It's for sure once it's H&M, but I need a supermarket for the H&M.
For sure there is also cigarette there in the mall. How come there's no cigarette there?
Maybe. Look, maybe no, maybe.
Now, so many countries will try to reduce amount of cigarettes and reduce the points of selling cigarettes.
Yeah.
Less and less.
I asked also this guy, the one putting the gasoline, and they said you cannot see cigarette because some of the shop they hide. If you ask, they will give you.
Yes,
but if you didn't ask,
yes.
they will not sell. Like that.
All right. You know.
In the Philippines, you will see any street there is some cigarette.
Yeah.
Every corner for sure you will see cigarette.
Kita rin namin yung mall. You know. That's the mall. Lapit lang pala. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayuan. Malapit lang siya.
Tareya ko lang. Ang gamit niya, tareya. Meron dito, may nagamit siya eh.
Lapit lang pala ng mall eh.
Pagod din ah, layo din nila ako doon.
It's strange that they don't have any petrol station. In the petrol station always there is cigarettes.
Petrol? Maybe not here, from the other side. For sure there is also here, but you know, like small province only. But the problem is maybe not yet open.
Parang lugar nila.
Because it's only 9:30.
Lapit ng lugar nila, mga Lodi.
But there is a opening gate.
Lapit na kami. Lapit na.
Till now, I was traveling by car last May. All the vans, all the petrol stations, and like alcohol, drinks, cigarettes, electric cigarettes.
Ganda na electric.
They have only one gas station. They accommodate this. Because it's a small country. They try to do this before 2025. The people all over we have to move to the all electric cars by 2025. Jesus Christ.
Drone.
It's not real. And this is the opposition.
check that?
Hindi, bili na ng pintura. Oo.
Police. Ambulance.
Ulan siya.
Ambulance. Dalawa. Sarap mag-drive dito, wala traffic. Sunog siguro, may pare, ano? Pwede ako driver dito. Driver lang ng ambulansya. Para po na diretso.
From 9 o'clock till 20.
So it's open, ha?
Dito tayo sa mall ng Iceland. Wow.
All close.
Ice cream?
Too much in the ship.
Oh my God.
Sarado pa, alas 10.
Ano nga? Wala pang tao, mga lodi. Tahimik pa. O H&M. Sportswear. Oh, Nike. Oh. Ooh. Maganda yung ano ng Nike dito ah.